Got the Ford Ranger here today. We're going to be putting wheel bearings in it. The new wheel bearings we put in it a while back is making noise, and you know, Shane did them on his own. He did wheel bearings before, but I think he didn't seat them properly and didn't have the nut correctly, because I'm looking at this and I can tell you I don't think that's tight enough. Supposed to have a little drag on them, you know, but you're supposed to snug them up so the bearing seats all the way into the back waist, then you loosen them up a little, you know. Yeah, so I think that's the issue. Could be that just cheap bearings. How much was your bearings, Shane?
Like $10.
$10. $10 wheel bearings, so it could be that. Did you change your laces in them, or just reused your old laces?
Well, they're in the rotor, so.
They in the rotor? You didn't change them? That could have killed it too. I say they just ain't set properly. Well, what we did, we just going ahead and tighten these up. We got a little bit of drag on them. They had zero drag on them before, so we got a little drag, you know, so it should be good. And then we have no up and down play. Shane just had them a little tad too loose. Shane, you had them completely loose, to be honest about it. If you didn't before, the boat came loose. But we're going to tighten both sides up, then we take it for a test drive, see if the noise goes away. And then you can take your new bearings back, or just keep them for spares. You know, never know when we need them for spares. I like your bitch mittens.
Oh yeah.
We went ahead, set this in, but usually it's kind of universal, but always check online, make sure, because sometimes these got torque specs on them, but this one is not that type of bearing. And you don't want them too loose, because then your bearing walks around in the rotor, you know. And it makes noise, like it did on you, Shane. We got the engine shut off. It's a standard, and pretty well listening for wheel bearing noise. Can you catch a wheel? Stays, that's what we're in. After the test drive on the Ranger, we jacked everything back up. Everything seems good. I don't think the noise is from the bearings. I think the noise is from the brakes. Or maybe these tires here were super big. We have no play in the bearings. And everything looks good. But these is the old laces for the bearings, so it could be misshapen a little. But I'm pretty sure it's the rotary issue with it. We're just going to leave these bearings in it for now. But always, you know, the point of this video, make sure you have no play in your bearings. Sometimes you might have them a little too loose. And do your research before doing this. You know, each vehicle is different. They are proper ways of doing this. This was just a fast and dirty way. So I hope you enjoyed, like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.